When flowers wake each morning. Learning objectives. 1. Appreciating plants as living beings. 2. Respecting every creature in this world. When flowers wake each morning, they don't have to make their beds, and lettuce leaves aren't told to comb the hair upon their heads. You'd never tell asparagus it shouldn't play with spears. You'd never ask a stalk of corn to wash behind its ears. A mushroom doesn't have to clean its room, and you'll agree. A tree won't have to study hard to learn geometry. I guess it should be obvious from listening to my rant. I'm tired of being a person. I would rather be a plant. A poem by Ken Nesbitt. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. Who does not study hard to learn geometry? Answer. A tree won't have to study hard to learn geometry. 2. Why does the poet want to be a plant? Answer. The poet wants to be a plant because plants don't have to do anything. 3. Why do you think poets are fed up with their work? Answer. Poets are fed up with their work because they have to do a lot of work daily. 4. Can you suggest any new title for the poem? Answer. I would rather be a plant. Find their meaning. 1. Asparagus. A plant with long green or white stems that you can cook and eat as a vegetable. 2. Geometry. A study of shapes and lines in math. 3. Mushroom. A type of plant which grows very quickly, has a flat or rounded top, and can be eaten as a vegetable. Fill in the blanks. 1. The name of the poet is Ken Nesbitt. 2. The poet is tired of work. 3. The poet gets fed up every morning. 4. The poet wishes to become a plant. Tick the right options. 1. The poet says that the flowers don't need to 1. Make their beds. 2. Comb their hair. Answer. 1. Make their beds. 2. Asparagus is never told 1. To wake up. 2. Not to play with spears. Answer. 2. Not to play with spears. 3. A stalk of corn never has to 1. Wash behind its ears. 2. Take a bath. Answer. 1. Wash behind its ears. 4. Mushroom never have to 1. Study. 2. Clean their rooms. Answer. 2. Clean their rooms. 5. A tree is never expected to 1. Learn geometry. 2. Comb its hair. 1. Learn geometry. Match the following. Column A. 1. Flower. 2. Lettuce. 3. Mushroom. 4. Tree. Column B. A. Comb. B. Beds. C. Study. D. Room. Answer. Flower. Beds. Lettuce. Comb. Mushroom. Room. Tree. Study. Communication. Writing skills. Personification is a figure of speech in which an object, an idea, or an animal is given human qualities. The poet has added human elements to flowers, lettuce, mushrooms, and trees. Choose your object from the poem and personify the object to create an image for the reader. Reading skills. Read these lines. I guess it should be obvious. From listening to my rant, I'm tired of being a person. I would rather be a plant. Why do you think the poet is tired of being a person? Discuss it with your partner and share it in the class. Listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will recite the poem. Listen to the poem again. Dramatize the poem in the morning assembly. Let each student express what they will feel when they see flowers waking up.